got 2006 Toyota Tundra. You do have problem with the no communication with the computer, no code reading. Also, you can see no check engine, no check engine show up. So also no crank. I'll show you quick. What's the problem now? So you got a FE relay. Got a new one over here. You have it over here. New one. So it's FE. So also we do have the check engine now. Now we see it's crank. It's running. So now we see the code now. You can read the code. Good. So you have any problem with those kind of Toyota, you gotta check that fuse. The relay for FE. No communication with that. Now it's due. So thank you for watching.